Let's begin with a moment of honesty. If you're watching this, you might be feeling exhausted, frustrated, and even on the verge of giving up on trading. You've likely spent countless nights glued to charts, chasing strategies and following advice from online gurus, only to end up more confused and financially bruised. The emotional roller coaster of wins and losses has left you drained. But here's the truth. Your struggle is not a reflection of your intelligence or discipline. It's the result of a system designed to keep you searching for the next big thing, never quite reaching consistent success. This video is your turning point. Every trader knows the cycle: the thrill of a winning streak, the crushing disappointment when the market turns, and the endless search for the perfect indicator or strategy. Maybe you've tried scalping, swing trading, or following signals from charismatic mentors, only to see your account dwindle. The industry sells hope, not results, and you're left feeling further from your goals than when you started. But what if the problem isn't you? What if the entire approach needs to change? Take a deep breath and let this sink in. Your failure is not your fault. You're not failing because you lack intelligence, discipline, or intuition. The truth is, the retail trading industry is built on a lie that you can learn trading like a skill, find a secret formula, and achieve effortless income. This ecosystem profits from your hope, keeping you on a hamster wheel of consumption. It's time to step off that wheel and see trading for what it truly is. The retail trading industry thrives on selling shortcuts, courses, signals, indicators, and mentorships that promise overnight success. But these are just products designed to keep you buying, not winning. You become a professional consumer, always searching for the next shiny object, never truly becoming a professional trader. The result? Disappointment and financial loss. But there's a way out, and it starts with a new mindset. This video is your emergency exit from the endless cycle of disappointment. The only way to achieve sustainable, long-term profitability is to stop thinking like a trader and start acting like a business owner. This isn't just motivational talk. It's a complete shift in how you approach the market. We're not here to discuss candlestick patterns or indicators. We're here to build a business with plans, risk management, and operational structure. Imagine firing yourself from the stressful, inconsistent job of being a trader. Instead, you become the CEO of your own proprietary trading firm. As CEO, you're calm, data-driven, and strategic. Your focus shifts from chasing trades to managing a business. Welcome to the boardroom of You, Inc., where your decisions are based on logic and long-term vision, not emotion and impulse. Let's compare two mindsets, the gambler and the CEO. The gambler is focused on short-term wins, driven by emotion, and takes reckless risks. The CEO, on the other hand, thinks in years, not days. They rely on data, systems, and a written business plan. The CEO's actions are guided by probabilities, not gut feelings. This shift is the foundation of long-term success in trading. The gambler lives for the next trade, obsessed with short-term results. Their decisions are emotional, jumping in from fear of missing out, revenge trading after losses, and holding on to losers out of hope. Risk management is an afterthought, and the focus is always on potential gains, not on protecting capital. This mindset is incompatible with consistent profitability. The CEO operates with a multi-year plan. Their focus is on the law of large numbers, understanding that profitability comes from hundreds or thousands of trades, not just one. Every decision is systematic and data-driven, often executed by machines. The CEO's main concern is risk management, always asking, what's the maximum I'm willing to lose? This approach is about capital preservation and steady growth. Transforming from a gambler to a CEO is the price of admission to the 5% of traders who succeed. This isn't just about learning new strategies. It's about changing your entire approach to trading. You'll need to unlearn bad habits and embrace a disciplined, business-oriented mindset. This journey is your immersive training program for lasting success. Welcome to your new company, You, Inc. Your business is a proprietary, fully automated trading firm. Your products are currency pairs and precious metals, and your business activity is executing a statistically validated market edge. The execution is handled by your expert advisor, your first and most valuable employee, working tirelessly and without emotion. Your EA isn't just a tool, it's your 24/7 sales team, executing your business plan with precision and discipline. As CEO, you're not looking for a magic box that prints money. You're conducting a hearing process, reviewing resumes, analyzing strategies, and running rigorous tests. Only after your EA proves itself in simulations do you trust it with real capital. Think of selecting an EA as hearing your first employee. You demand a clear description of its strategy, conduct thorough background checks, and put it through a multi-stage interview process, backtesting and analysis. Only after it proves its competence do you bring it on board. This professional approach ensures your business is built on a solid foundation. Here, what separates a real trading business from a hobby? A 3-year plan. Real businesses aren't built in a month, and they don't aim for instant income. The focus is on survival and growth. As CEO, you must let go of short-term expectations and adopt a patient, multi-year perspective. This is the only realistic path to sustainable wealth. The first year is all about survival and validation. Your goal isn't to get rich, but to prove your business model works and keep your capital intact. You'll launch with a conservative, low-risk approach, follow your business plan, and focus on flawless execution. Building psychological capital is key, learning to handle drawdowns and stick to your plan. Your financial target for year one is simple: break even. Cover your operating expenses, EA rental, VPS, commissions, and spreads. Any net profit is a huge win. You're not trying to pay your bills yet, you're proving your business can survive. Remember, most small businesses aren't profitable in their first year, and trading is no different. In the second year, your focus shifts to growth and compounding. Now that your model is validated, you can start scaling. Use the power of automated compounding. Let your account grow and increase position sizes as profits accumulate. Every dollar of profit is reinvested to fuel expansion. This is when your equity curve starts to steepen. The goal for year two is significant capital growth. Profits are not for personal spending yet, they're retained earnings for the company. This reinvestment is the fuel for exponential growth. By the end of year two, your trading business should be showing meaningful returns, setting the stage for the next phase. By year three, your business has survived, grown, and compounded. Your capital base is now substantial, and your trading firm is a mature, cash-flowing asset. This is when you can finally start withdrawing a portion of profits as income, while still leaving enough capital to keep the business growing. This is the harvest year. Whether your goal is an extra $1,000, $5,000, or $10,000 a month, year three is when it becomes possible. With a well-managed, properly capitalized trading business, you can achieve sustainable profitability. You didn't get rich quick, you got rich right. This is the professional, proven path to lasting wealth. This 3-year plan isn't just a suggestion, it's your new religion. It's the only way to escape the destructive short-term mindset that ruins most traders. By committing to this patient, professional approach, you set yourself on the path to real, lasting wealth. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. This isn't a book you'll breeze through in a weekend. It's a workshop, a hands-on, step-by-step guide to building your trading business. You'll download tools, set up your trading terminal, and conduct feasibility studies. You'll build a complete business plan from operational setup to financial projections. You're not just learning theory, you're building a real business. As part of this workshop, you'll download a free demo of the Fractal Breakout EA. You'll set up your MetaTrader 5 terminal like a professional research lab, conduct exhaustive feasibility studies, and generate real data. This hands-on approach ensures you understand every aspect of your trading business, from the ground up. You'll construct a formal, institutional-grade business plan. This includes operational setup, financial projections, and risk management protocols. By the end, you'll have a blueprint for your trading business that's ready for real-world execution. These skills will become the foundation of your professional career in trading. This journey isn't passive. You'll be an active participant, conducting studies, analyzing data, and making decisions. The more you engage with the process, the stronger your foundation will be. This is your opportunity to build a trading business that stands the test of time. To succeed, you'll need to unlearn years of bad habits, chasing trades, emotional decisions, and short-term thinking. This process demands patience and discipline, but by replacing old habits with professional standards, you'll set yourself apart from the majority of traders who never make it. Patience is your greatest asset. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, the ability to think long-term sets you apart. Building a successful trading business takes time, but the rewards are worth the wait. Stay focused on your 3-year plan and trust the process. Discipline is the backbone of your new approach. Every decision, from risk management to business planning, must be systematic and intentional. By maintaining discipline, you protect your capital and ensure steady progress toward your goals. This is the hallmark of a true CEO. You're no longer a gambler hopping for a lucky streak. You're the CEO, running a business of probabilities. Your focus is on the long-term health and profitability of your enterprise, not the outcome of the next trade. This mindset shift is the key to sustainable success. A written business plan is your roadmap. It outlines your goals, strategies, risk management protocols, and operational procedures. With a clear plan, you remove emotion from the equation and make decisions based on logic and data. This is how real businesses operate, and how you'll operate from now on. Success in trading isn't about predicting the next move. It's about understanding statistical probabilities. Over hundreds or thousands of trades, your edge will manifest. The outcome of any single trade is irrelevant. What matters is the long-term performance of your system. Building a trading business requires robust operational infrastructure. This includes reliable technology, secure data management, and efficient workflows. By setting up your operations like a professional firm, you ensure consistency and minimize risk. Smart capital allocation is crucial. Decide in advance how much you're willing to risk and how you'll allocate resources. This prevents emotional decisions and protects your business from catastrophic losses. Treat every dollar as company capital, not personal funds. Risk management is the foundation of your trading business. Define, quantify, and manage risk before placing a single trade. The question is, how much can I make? But what's the maximum I'm willing to lose? This approach ensures long-term survival and growth. The law of large numbers is your ally. Over a large sample of trades, your statistical edge becomes clear. Don't obsess over individual outcomes. Focus on the bigger picture. This mindset is what separates successful CEOs from emotional gamblers. Systematic execution removes emotion from trading. Every rule, entry, and exit is codified and handled by your EA. Your job as CEO is to monitor performance, not to intervene emotionally. This creates consistency and reliability in your results. Instead of chasing excitement from every trade, find satisfaction in reviewing your quarterly profit and loss statements. This is where you see the steady, methodical growth of your enterprise. Celebrate progress, not just individual wins. Your first and most important job as CEO is capital preservation. Protecting your capital ensures you can survive drawdowns and continue growing. Every decision should be made with this priority in mind, setting the stage for long-term success. Emotional detachment is a superpower in trading. By relying on systems and data, you remove the chaos of hope and fear. This allows you to make rational decisions and maintain consistency, even during challenging market conditions. Automation is your competitive edge. Your EA works tirelessly, executing trades with precision and discipline. This frees you from the stress of manual trading and allows you to focus on managing and growing your business. A successful trading business is always evolving. Regularly review your systems, analyze performance, and make improvements. This commitment to continuous improvement keeps your business competitive and resilient. Drawdowns are inevitable, but they're also valuable learning opportunities. By sticking to your plan and analyzing what happened, you build psychological capital and resilience. Every challenge makes you a stronger, more capable CEO. The path to joining the top 5% of traders isn't easy. It requires unlearning, discipline, patience, and a willingness to embrace a new professional standard. But for those who are ready, this journey leads to real, sustainable financial success. You're leaving behind the graveyard of blown accounts and stepping into the boardroom of your own financial enterprise. This is your opportunity to build something lasting, meaningful, and profitable. The blueprint is in your hands. Now it's time to get to work. Congratulations, you're ready to begin your journey as the CEO of your own trading business. The path ahead will challenge you, but it will also reward you with skills, discipline, and the potential for true financial freedom. Welcome to your first day as CEO. Let's get started.